Ciao a tutti, laghi di Ponte Aranica. Questa sarà la destinazione delle mie camminate di oggi. Mi trovo a Ca' San Marco, che vedete qua alle mie spalle, molto prossima al Passo San Marco, che è là sopra. L'ambiente di oggi è veramente suggestivo. Oggi si tratta di un'uscita abbastanza tranquilla, sarà circa un'oretta e mezza di cammino con poco dislivello.
But I'll sit and wait for it to unfold. 'Cause when you're looking, you never find all that you're looking for will find you blind. There'll be nothing on my mind, nothing on my mind.
circa 1 ora e mezzo di cammino da Casammarco sono arrivato ai laghi di Ponteranica. Il sentiero nel complesso è piuttosto semplice, anche se ci sono un paio di punti dove il terreno è un po' scosceso, ma basta prestare attenzione che si procede senza alcuna difficoltà. I laghi sono molto belli, la panoramica altrettanto, peccato per qualche nuvola di troppo. Ci vediamo alla prossima puntata. Ciao a tutti.
From school, was scared to go home. I was a fool with the big boys breaking all the rules. Shed tears with my baby sister. Over the years, we was poor than other little kids. And even though we had different daddies, the same drama when things went wrong, we blame mama. I reminisce on the stress I caused. It was hell, hugging on my mama from a jail cell. And who thinking elementary? Hey, I see the penitentiary one day. And running from the police, that's right. Mama catch me put a whooping to my backside. And even as a crack fiend, mama, you always was a black queen, mama. I finally understand for a woman it ain't easy trying to raise a man. You always was committed, a poor single mother on welfare. Tell me how you did it, there's no way I can pay you back. But the plan is to show you that I understand. You all appreciate it. Dear mama. Nobody tell us it was fair. No love from my daddy cause the coward wasn't there. He passed away and I didn't cry cause my anger wouldn't let me feel for a stranger. They say I'm wrong and I'm heartless, but all along I was looking for a father, he was gone. I hung around with the thugs, and even though they sold drugs, they showed a young brother love. I moved out, started really hanging. I needed money of my own, so I started slanging. I ain't guilty cause even though I sell rocks, it feels good putting money in your mailbox. I love paying rent when the rent's due. I hope you got the diamond necklace that I sent to you. Cause when I was low, you was there for me. You never left me alone because you cared for me. And I can see you coming home after work late. You're in the kitchen trying to fix us a hot plate. You're just working with the scraps you was given. And mama made miracles every Thanksgiving. But now the road got rough, you're alone. You're trying to raise 2 bad kids on your own. And there's no way I can pay you back. But my plan is to show you that I understand. You all appreciate it. Mama, you all appreciate it.